Hello, good evening, everyone. It's me again, Danny, with Hudson the Rebel. He's right here. And I'm just going to show you real quick what I do for his breakfast every morning. It's a holistic breakfast. So it's 1 teaspoon per 10 pounds for this Skin and Coat Holistic Health Extension vitamin. And since he's a little under 5, I only give him a half a teaspoon of that. Now, for the stress relief, boosts energy and stimulates appetite. It's in the morning and in the afternoon, or, just kind of adjust the time to whatever time you feed your fur baby. And it is half a teaspoon there for every 10 pounds, so I give them a quarter spoon of this. Now, you can also give them something like this right here. It is Lifetime Multivitamin. Okay, for every 10 pounds it's 1, so I would give my puppy a half. Again, he's under 5 pounds. He's a miniature schnauzer. And everyone already knows his name is Hudson. A quarter scoop of this stuff for joint mobility. Now, he loves the flavor of this. I use it for the holistic breakfast, but you can use just a tiny bit of it at dinner time if you want to. Or at lunch, since you do have to do, again, a scoop in the afternoon of the stress relief vitamin. Now, again, guys, this is all holistic. This is how much I feed my puppy, just enough to kind of cover the bottom of the bowl. It's a very small bowl, too. The camera definitely is making it look bigger. But I'll just go ahead and show you. That is the Skin and Coat Holistic. And I'm going to go ahead and just dump that right in here. And the very last part, a quarter scoop. So I go ahead and eye it out. Quarter scoop for him, adjusting it to his size. Just a little bit more. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so the quarter scoop, that should be enough. Alright, and I'm just going to mix it in there, and what it's going to do is just kind of coat between the sticky liquid vitamins and the quarter scoop. It's just going to basically get all powdered with the holistic powder, and that's for joint mobility. Now, that's okay to feed them a little bit more at dinner. Just a tiny bit more just to flavor it. My little guy, Hudson, definitely loves this flavor. Anyways, guys, here's the joint mobility. Thank you so much for your time. This is how I do the holistic breakfast. Me and Hudson both say goodbye. Bye.